Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're working on that Chevy Equinox right here. We'll show you how to recharge the AC system on it. We did an engine replacement and we have many videos on that vehicle, so check it out, guys. It's on our channel. Make sure you check out our main channel, World Mechanics. It's growing crazy fast as of right now, guys. We have amazing builds there. And okay, that's the Equinox we're talking about. And in order to recharge the AC system, if it's completely empty, you can find the information right here and the capacity under the hood. This one is 790 grams and 1 little can of Freon is 340. So you need a little bit more than 2, but even 2 will be enough. It will do the job. Okay, don't drop it like that, it can explode, so be careful. Okay, you need to install it on the thing, and what you need to do next, you need to go to the low pressure port, which is located right there, and you need to connect it. Okay, make sure it's good there, and then you need to go inside, and you need to start it. Okay, you need to make sure that you have it all the way on cold, you have the fan on, and you have the AC on. And now you're ready to go ahead and start adding Freon. Never go upside down. Okay, just add it like that. You will take it, it will be a little bit slow, but it will probably 3 to 5 minutes, usually one can is empty. Okay, you just hold it, and you'll be able to hear the AC compressor kicking in. Alright guys, and the fan kicked in. That's a good sign. If your fan doesn't work, the AC will not work too, because it will get too hot and it will quit. Okay, so fan is on, and we're 1 can, and we're still less than 25 pounds per square inch pressure, so we still need to wait a little bit more, and we need to add the second can. Alright guys, we disconnected now. First can is empty, and now we need to replace it with the second one. You always have some in the system. Okay, a little bit, because that will be the same pressure that you have in the system, so it's impossible to empty it all the way. Okay, and now that's the second one. And outside right now it's about 85, so we need to be, you can see, between 27 and 48, 50, and right now we are at 35, so it's getting to where it's supposed to be. Let's check the temperature inside. I have the thermometer there. Okay, it's blowing about 45 right now, 45. Alright guys, second can empty, we're at 35, okay, right there, 35 PSI, so that's good. We won't add more, 2 is enough in our case. It's good not to overfill it, because otherwise it might not work correctly. If it builds too much pressure, it's going to turn the compressor off to prevent it from blowing a hose or something. So that's the whole procedure, guys. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.